Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Chromecast with Google TV Wi-Fi keep on turning off. Method 1. Power cycle your Chromecast. Try unplug Google Chromecast from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the Chromecast back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on Google Chromecast, and it should now work. Method 2. Reset the device to factory settings. Before doing this, you need to know, a factory reset erases all your data from your device. Now, from the Google TV home screen, select Settings. Select System and then About and then Factory Reset. Finally, if Factory Reset not worked, then maybe hardware malfunction. Nothing you can do to fix it. If your device is still under warranty, please contact the store where you purchased the device for the best support. Instead, take it to a reputable repair shop so they can help you. Consider buying a new one if your device has been used for too long. That's it guys, hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.